I never seen anyone who doesn't like Korean pancakes. They are called 전 or 부침개 in Korean. As far as I know, we have over 200 different styles of Korean pancakes. Of course, it depends on what you put into the pancake. Korean pancakes are not complicated or difficult, but it doesn't mean you can make perfect pancakes all the time. I love Korean pancakes, but I only randomly make them right. Today's pancake is chives pancake. Koreans enjoy pancakes on rainy days, so the rain sound reminds me of the pancakes. I bought these chives in the market. Honestly, I'm not sure if they are chives. I'm living in Vietnam. I don't know what a chives in Vietnamese, so I couldn't check clearly. But it looks right. Cut them, not too long, not too short, and put them into a big bowl. I added chopped onion too. It's optional. To make Korean pancakes, you need to have Korean pancake powder. It's called 부침가루. Luckily, I could get it in Vietnam. Now, put the powder and water into the bowl in similar proportion, about 1:1. Mix well, people. I use stainless steel pan instead of a non-stick pan, cause stainless pan is better for the human body, but you need to have patience to use it. I heat it up for at least 2 to 3 minutes when I make pancakes with it, and pour in enough cooking oil. Don't hesitate to pour in the oil, at least over 6 spoons, and wait for the pan heat up enough again, about 2 to 3 minutes. Put the pancake batter into the pan. Thin pancakes taste better than thick pancakes, so please don't try to put too much batter at once. Keep the temperature high. I already taste it just from the sound. About 3 minutes later, flip the pancake. Two minutes later, flip it again. I heard that flipping the pancake several times tastes better. I flipped it 3 times. If you don't heat up the pan enough, it'll be hard to flip and you can't make pancake crispy. Let's try my lovely chives pancake. I prepared a can of beer. In Korea, we usually eat the pancake with makgeolli, which is Korean rice wine, but beer is also okay. The pancake powder already has salt. If you think it's not salty enough, use soy sauce. Can you hear the crispy sound? Not many ingredients, but you can taste nice Korean pancake. This food will really pick you up after a long day's work.